Hello. This video is to help you know how to do links from the gips.org website. There are 4 different types of links we're going to talk about. Linking to a page within our site, linking to an external site away from gips.org, linking to a PDF document, and linking to a photo gallery from a news story. So I've got a news story here, and I want to link some things within it. The first thing I'm going to link is to a site within our site. I'm going to link this text to the Grand Island Education Foundation site within our site. So I'm going to highlight the text, and then I'm going to click on this link. Now, because it's a site within our site, we don't use the URL. In this URL box, we do a bracket, a squiggly, and then we put in the number for that page, which I can see it's grayed back, but that number is 8. The number is always in parentheses next to the listing on the left. Put the 8 in, and then bracket. I leave this target where it says open in this window as open in this window, because I want it to stay within our site, and I don't have to open a new window to do that. I'm going to hit insert, and now you can see that this text is orange. And what's that look like? Well, when we're in the page, if I click on that, it's going to take me to the Education Foundation site, and it's going to stay within this window. I'm going to click back. Next, I want to click to an external site. So down here at the bottom, I have where it says read the independent article about this, and I'm going to highlight independent article, and I'm going to go to the independent article, grab the URL, and when I hit the link button, I'm going to paste the URL in there. Now here's where it's different. Instead of opening in this window, we're going to open in a new window. So I select that, hit insert, and what that does is when I click on it, it's going to open a new window with that story. This way, when I close this, our site is still in the background. That's what we want for external links. That's any site that does not go to a gips.org page. External sites include Google Sites. So if you have a Google site for a teacher, you want to link to an external site. Open a new window. The third type of site I'm going to link to is a PDF. So I say download the mini grant report. I'm just going to click on download, and since this is going to a PDF, I still hit the link button, and where it says link URL, I have to load this up. Well, I'm going to choose one that I've already loaded. I find the PDF, I hit OK, and again we're going to open this in a new window. And then I hit insert. Just like you would with an external site, you do open in a new window. And that way when it gets clicked on, it's going to open the PDF in a new tab. And the fourth one I'm going to show you is I've got this news story and I've added a photo. So when you add a photo to a news story, you click on template variables, and you click on the image here, and you find your image the same way. I've already got the image there. I've actually already got the link set up here, but where you see this More Images link, you can put in a gallery. In this case, it's a Facebook gallery on our Facebook page. So I find this URL, and I put that in this box here. Also, we have an article image credit. So I'm going to type in Grand Island Public Schools photo. If I was using a photo from somewhere else, it would be very important for me to say where I got that photo from. And you can see what that looks like right here. Grand Island Public Schools photo, there's the credit, and there's the link to more photos. And that's how you do the links within a site, to an external site, to a PDF, and to a photo gallery.